you were afraid, my darling, I'd be the courage you lack. If you were a bird, then I'd be a tree, and you would come home, my darling, to me. If you were asleep, then